Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to continue with Chapter 8 Windstorms and Cyclones. Children, have you ever wondered why hot air balloons can fly high in the sky? Why smoke always rises? And why a balloon is inflated when air is blown into it? This is all because of air expands on heating. On heating, the molecules of air gains kinetic energy. It moves away from each other. Thus, they occupies more space. Therefore, the air becomes lighter and the warm air rises up, whereas comparatively cool air tends to sink towards the Earth's surface. That's the reason hot air balloon can fly high in the sky. Smoke, being lighter and warmer, rises up, and a balloon is inflated when warm air is blown into it. Let's learn more about air expands on heating by doing two of the simple experiments. Take a boiling tube and stretch a balloon tightly over the neck and fix it. Now take this boiling tube with the balloon in a hot water beaker. After 2 to 3 minutes, we observe that the balloon is changing its shape. That is, the balloon gets inflated. This is because of the heating of the air inside the balloon expands and inflates the balloon. Now, same boiling tube with the balloon, take it in ice cold water. What do we observe? We observe that the balloon gets deflated because air contracts on cooling and expands on heating. Now, one more experiment. Take two paper bags, hang them in an inverted position using a wooden stick like a beam balance. Initially, we will find two of the bags horizontally straight. Now, light a candle under one of the paper bags. After a little while, we will find that the paper bag above the candle rises. This shows that air becomes lighter and it moves up. Let's recap. We learned that when air is heated, it expands. As a result, it occupies more space and becomes lighter in weight. So, we can say warm air is light and cold air is heavy. That's all for today. We'll meet next class. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed.